Okay, hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Junoy with Trading the Charts Pro, and this is one more session of Market Outlook. All right, Market Outlook, we're going to use technical analysis as well as our trading experience to try and anticipate where we think this market is going to go in the next trading week. All right, so let's jump right on into the chart. Guys, if you haven't liked, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like the channel. Hit the thumbs up button so the YouTube algorithms can help this video out and show it to someone that may be able to use this information. All right, let's jump on into the charts and let's see where I think the market is going to go based on my experience and also based on the technical analysis chart patterns that I use to analyze the market. All right, so let's jump right in. All right, guys, so last trading market outlook, we saw the market was selling off, right? And I said that if we don't bounce back immediately from this area and come up, we would actually break down and find support somewhere in here. Well, nicely, we did not come back down lower. We run up, pull back just a little bit, run higher, opened lower, and then went lower again. And then from there, guys, on Friday was a very, very interesting day because for some reason it was looking like the market was tired and it was going to break down and come back somewhere down here. But I don't know what was the news or what was it, but you can see the market came as low as 3,230 something and bounced back up from there. I took some nice shorts on Friday and I also was able to get back in long and catch some of that move up to the upside, and that is why it's good to have an outlook and be able to understand where the market is going to go. All right, so let's jump back to this. So we came down on support and now we're back in this uptrend. Though we're back in this uptrend, guys, I'm anticipating, yes, the market is going to break out, but we have to be careful because yes, this is a very strong bullish candle. Specifically, it shows a lot of buying, and I'm looking or hoping, anticipating that the market will gap at this level when we open back come Sunday. All right, when we gap out of here, I do think that this run up from this level back up here 100 points is going to be very, very quick. And after we break out and run back up to this level, like I said, for me, all bets are off because I don't know why the market would break out and go higher yet, unless bigger traders, hedge funds, these guys have some more information ahead of us that we don't have as yet, and they know that the market is actually going to break out and go higher because the vaccine is a lot closer than we think. So again, we have resistance right here. Yes, we're right there with a very, very strong candlestick. There is a probability that we can hit a resistance and come back down here, but based on what happened on Friday, I don't think that that is going to be the case. I am really thinking that we're gonna gap out at this level and then it's gonna be all races to get back up to this completely all-time high where we sold off before coronavirus. It's very ironical though that we're attempting to test the highs, and we're hearing every day that coronavirus is getting worse. We're having new cases. It's like, is this thing really real? Or I know the market is not necessarily in touch with reality because the market is always forward looking, but it just doesn't make any sense. But who cares about what makes sense? Who cares about any of that? All that matters is that I need to come in here as well as you and read the charts and see where we can get our daily income. And if this thing breaks out of this resistance level here, I am very, very confident that I'll be able to capture some move up to somewhere up here, and then I'll move back to the sidelines and see what the market wants to do from that point on. Because when we get to this level, what more am I expecting? Am I expecting a breakout? It could break out, but if it breaks out, I'm not going to be the guy that's jumping on this breakout train right here, because we already know that 90% of the time breakouts are fake out. So in order for me to take a breakout, I have to get the confirmation, which is a breakout retest, hold that support, and then we move higher. So before we end this market session, I actually just want to switch over to another time frame, just so we can look at it a little bit more in a smaller time frame. And guys, look at this. On Friday, we can see the market had a high over here. It broke down, run back up, failed to go higher. It break down, take a couple trades on this, come down, and then what happened here is crucial, is very important if you know how to read the charts, and how the technical analysis is important. Because look at this level and look at this level, and then you can put it together, understand why we're going to go higher right here based on 1, 2, 3 things. Okay, as long as we're able to break out of this level, the market will go higher. Where is it going to go higher? It's looking to go back and test the all-time high, and that is 100% based on technical analysis, price action, and trading experience. All right, so that doesn't mean you should go put an order in right here and try to catch a breakout. You need to see a clear breakout of a resistance level, as well as the confirmation that it is clear, momentum is good, which we can see on Friday. Man, that's a lot of buying. There was a lot of selling, but price got to a place where guys knew that this level, it's overdone, and that's why the market was bought back up, all the way back up here. Was I believing that the market was gonna come back up here? Not on Friday. I wasn't expecting all of that to happen on Friday, but once I saw this level put in, I started to get a bit more confident that, oh, we're actually going higher. All right, guys, so this is it for this market outlook session. As I always say, don't risk too much, trade safe, and make sure you are breaking down your charts and analyzing your patterns before you jump into the market, because you have to be confident about what the trade setup is you're taking, and why are you even in the trade. If you don't know why you're in the trade, you should not be in the trade. All right, so please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. I'm out.